to spell k.
The 3 ways to spell k. C, K, C, K.
Great job. I like your commas. When do I use CK for spelling?
At the end of a word, right after a short vowel.
Great job. All right, next one. Number 2, the 5 ways to spell E.
The 5 ways to spell E. E, E consonant E, E, EA, and Y.
Very good. You got them in the right order. Good job. Next one, 2 ways to spell ch.
2 ways to spell ch. CH and TCH.
Very good. Number 4, 4 ways to spell A.
4 ways to spell A. A consonant E, AI, and AY.
Wonderful. And which one do you use at the end of the word?
AY is at the end of a word.
Good job. Number 5, spell IND.
IND. IND.
Great. Number 6, what suffix spells less?
Suffix less. LESS.
Good. And then our last one, give me the suffix that means happened in the past.
Happened in the past is suffix ED. Happened in the past.
All right, auditory drill. I'm going to give you prefixes first. What prefix means down and away?
Prefix DE.
Good job. What prefix means apart?
Prefix DIS.
Good. What prefix means between?
Prefix enter. INTER.
All right, the next ones are bases. So what base means to carry?
Port. PORT.
What base means to throw?
Ject. JECT.
And our last base, what means to break?
Rupt. RUPT.
Great, so the rest of these are going to be suffixes. Write the suffix in eruption. Repeat the word.
Eruption. The suffix is suffix ION.
Great job. Next one, what's the suffix in reporting? Repeat.
Reporting. The suffix is suffix ING.
Wonderful. Now I'm going to give you 2 definitions. First definition, what suffix makes a word plural?
Suffix S
And there's another one, yeah.
and suffix ES.
Great job. I should have said suffixes there. All right, number 10, what suffix means able to?
Suffix ABLE.
Wonderful. All right, Amy, let's do some sounds. First sound is eh. Repeat. And spell. Oh, you're so close. So let's trace it. Like in your visual drill. So E, edge, Excellent. Next one, the 3 ways to spell k.
Okay, 3 ways to spell k.
All right, and you put those Good job. You got all 3 ways to spell k. And we just learned CK, so it makes perfect sense that you put it right at the beginning. But let's go through and put this in the right order. So what's our most common way to spell k?
C.
We learned that one first. Yeah, C. And then our second most common is?
K.
And then our third way is?
CK.
So let's rewrite that whole thing in the right order. You can do it on the next line if you want.
C. K. CK.
I love that you're saying those names because the letter names are going to help you remember it. And then our last one, the 4 ways to spell A.
4 ways to spell A. A. A-I. A-Y. I don't remember the other way.
All right, so this is another way that we spell A in the middle of the word. How do you spell A? It's actually our most common one in the middle. Like in the word.
A consonant E.
You got it without the keyword. Good job. A consonant E like safe. So we're going to put A consonant E right in there in between A and AI, but let's reorder the whole thing.
Okay.
A consonant E. Great job.
A-I. A-Y.
Right. And what's the most common way to spell A in the middle of the word?
A consonant E.
Wonderful. That's why we put it first there before AI.